whenever and wherever. We are here for you. We are Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe on YouTube. The Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, CFR, met with content creators of Southeast extraction, encouraging them to maximize their great potentials for themselves and society at large. The governor noted that content creation is not for the faint-hearted nor the dull-minded. He further promised that the government will provide enabling environment for them to thrive in the industry and conquer the world. In response, they appreciated the governor for this great opportunity to have meeting with them.
Anambra when we started, you was there.
It's a service. The Alexander was too.
You don't.
I've seen what I'm facing at home.
No well.
Years into #1, this is the first time I can see the sitting governor. Charlie FY, they content. Joy, I'm all back as in the house. That's a give arrest. So after so much meeting and conviction with Yamaba, you release the number sent them back. And I was surprised again among media. Recognize one or two faces.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because I call them because some other governors I want to knock at all, some of the convoy cafe, that is the news. If you have so, and our governor, when they connect so. I mean, if I travel now for things, what do you go with the Anambra as a whole pure relaxation center? Or the home. I never call hotel, bar, it's Moku, the bar, cars, in Kabaka, one way. But ever the team, Joy on Mubia. I mentioned the video. For the Papa money, I still go there and they are. Yes, how do that? I said, yeah, we know our field. Because you have been I am a comment, I am a neighbor comment, so I was a kind of our dear governor. So far, I don't you.
They also urged him to continue and run for the third tenure, even after the second one.
Only can you see my constitution? It's a next term. Each move.
And we come together. And I'm not confident because you do solution on Anambra. It is affecting my husband. She's no longer coming on time. Yes. Everything she's Malama, but my home, she's come late. So you will transfer me of this awareness. They will go to their parlor by 8 a.m., 8 p.m. PPP management, go back to your home and meet your wife.
This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a nice day. At night, in the day, whenever and wherever. We are here for you. The Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, delivered a keynote speech on ethical leadership, security, and sustainable development in his alma mater, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. According to him, it was a great privilege to share personal experiences and insights with his students. It was, for him, a refreshing moment walking through the familiar paths of the university community. He finally made a commitment to do more greater things for the alma mater in order to unlock its full potentials.
But my dear brothers and sisters, I'm leaving you with a message that to have ethical leadership, to live by ethical standards is costly, it can be dangerous, but it requires extraordinary character to be able to design and execute, regardless of whose ox is God. People will come to you and tell you, that's not how it is done. You got to, if you are doing recruitment, and I tell them, the teaching profession, medical profession, and somebody even added priesthood, and a few other professions. These are not professions that you can recruit somebody through patronage. If you recruit teachers, if you recruit one teacher that is incompetent, you have probably killed a generation. Does that make sense? Yeah. If you recruit teachers, if you recruit one teacher that is incompetent, you have probably killed a generation. Does that make sense? Yes.
This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a nice day. At night, in the day, whenever and wherever, we are here for you. We are Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe on YouTube. The Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, CFR, received a courtesy visit from the Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Bianca Odumegwu Ojukwu, accompanied by a delegation of well-respected indigents of Nnewi community. It was a visit of gratitude and appreciation to the governor for the support, particularly during the nomination as minister in the Renewed Hope administration. According to the governor, Ambassador Bianca's appointment is a testament to President Tinubu's commitment to a unified Nigeria where merit and capability transcends party lines, he noted.
Especially for all the support and the support. You always say that you run a marathon, not a sprint. This has been a support through the ages in the most difficult of times, for which you even bore some of the battle scars, for which you faced so much until we got to this destination. For every single thing you have done, for every support that you have given, for being there to reign in the storm, for holding forth until we got to this place, and for carrying us along with you, and for looking back and saying, hey, upon where I am so come to Fetagodi, and I just bubble about the Koja. I just want to say thank you so much. Also, such making that much for everything you have done.
I want the first to make it. We will not do so long today. And the movement will be killing now in the appreciation either in now I will go look at Kume.
After.
Well,
Only to keep us with what happened. Only African forward.
And what we came here for is let us thank you for support you are giving to Her Excellency.
it's always someone again and now more than it serves. First, there's no better person to go. In every sphere of it, for me, is what needed to happen. Nigeria benefits. When I talk about her, saying who else will benefit from her experience, her training, her experience, when an ambassador in Spain. A one of a typical case of round peg in a round hole. We are working together
As progressive.
as progressives.
I'm not giving it a
We are proud. We are proud.
This is Independent African Television Channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do have a blessed day. In the day, whenever and wherever, we are here for you.